one of my first jobs was Mockingbird Inn washing dishes. And that was the only job I've ever truly disdained and hated, because one of the people at the Mockingbird, again, another mentor, by the way, you guys have mentors, you guys have great ideas all the time. You're just not listening. One of the mentors, as I was bringing the tray of dishes, one rich guy, which normal people would disdain, said, "You got to get out of there." And I said, tell me about it. And he goes, "No, you're going to go nowhere in that kitchen. It's called the back of the house for a reason." He goes, "You need to find out how to become a busboy, whatever it is, valet when you're older. You got to meet with people." And I was like, holy cow, he's got it right. The only person I'm seeing are my two managers, Rick and Jenny, which are having a love affair, right? Yeah. And they want to go out and smoke cigarettes together in the parking lot. Nothing is happening for me except steam and bacteria, right? Yeah. And so I was like, what do I need to do to get to be a busboy? You can't. Right. Why did they say I can't? Not because I can't be a busboy, because they couldn't replace the dishwasher, right? So I put in my notice. Hey, I'm giving you my 2 weeks notice. Where are you going? I don't know. I'm going to be a busboy. Should I apply here? I don't know. Does it make sense for me to put in my application? Well, no. I mean, we're not going to hire somebody. What's a good next step? Why don't you go work at Boulder Country Club? That's a great idea. Thank you so much. Right? Like I didn't take no for, I didn't realize it wasn't that they hated me. It was just that they didn't want to hire another dishwasher. But I did realize, and then my jobs from that was the only one that I hated, because every other job I ever had, I was like, man, not only do I have an opportunity to make a few bucks, which I needed, but I have an opportunity to interact with people and learn a little bit about them. I have an opportunity to practice my skills.